Hello everyone, welcome to my latest video. Today we came to the Baileparts warehouse. These are the engine parts purchased by customers, which will be shipped this week. Let's take a look at what products are being packaged now. This is our high-quality alternator, made of carefully selected industrial-grade materials and advanced technology. It can still output strong and stable current in extreme environments. This is a starter motor with high performance and torque control to meet the needs of quick starting. Whether it is automation equipment, mechanical transmission, or heavy industrial applications, our motors can provide efficient and stable power output. Our Baile brand packaging is very popular among customers. The packaging boxes are sturdy and beautiful, ensuring the safety and integrity of the products during transportation and storage. This is the process of packing and shipping each of our customer orders. As long as you provide me with the part number, I can find the corresponding product for you.